Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Kitchen. Today we're making Sausage Chakalaka, our Sadza and salad. So yeah, this video is going to be a bit lengthy but a quick one. So we're just going to start by, I don't know what to call this, rolling our sausages into cute little things. Guys, help me. Anyways, yeah, this is what we're going for. I bought country style. Before I call it countryside, country style. Then we're just going to fry it. Nothing too complicated. We just take our sausage and fry. Yeah, the two of them are in the pot. And today I'm cooking for one, so yeah, that's that. Then let's get into our chakalaka. We're going to start by cutting our carrot. We're just going to try and get pretty little strips. Yeah, and then we are going to cut our robot green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. I wanted to try this, but yo guys, it seems so difficult, so I just went to the way that I know how to do this. And then yeah, we're going to cut our greens. That's just it. Otherwise, guys, tell me what other recipes would you like to see me making? Something simple, something difficult. Recipes you'd also like me to imitate and try from other people's videos. I'm open to it because guys, I'm not a professional chef. I just love food. So yeah, then we're going to take our carrot, put just a bit of water, allow our carrot to boil but not to be like too overcooked, just perfectly cooked. In the same pot we'll put a bit of cooking oil. Don't forget to put your cooking oil. And then we are just going to fry our robot. So yeah guys, as I was saying, if you have any other video you'd like me to try and then explain it further or tell you if I managed or fail, I'm up to it. Yeah, I think I edited this quite too long. I'm hoping it finishes now. But anyways, we're just going to fry our greens. After frying our robot, we wait for it to be cooked. When it's about to cook, we now add our spices. I'm just going to use, this is a barbecue spice. You can use any spices of your choice or any spices in your house. And then I'm going to put the 6-gun. I love 6-gun. If you have like vegetable herbs or have vegetable spice, this will be a perfect place to put it. So I'd like my vegetable seasoning, but it was almost finished, so I had to like take the last from the bottle. But anyways, you know how I only take things from the drawers and cook whatever recipe I can come up with. I don't go through the stress of buying things for a recipe. I use what's in my cupboard or in my fridge. So yes, this is our carrot that we're now adding. So guys, when you're cooking, don't go overboard or over budget to make a recipe. Yes, we can do that once in a while, especially end of month when your pay has just come in. Then we're going to put our beans. I like to use cool because it's not too sweet, so it doesn't interrupt the whole chakalaka thing. The chakalaka comes out perfect and well. So yeah, we're going to just mix those together. Yes guys, I think this is the third video that I'm making a different type of chakalaka. So please do teach me if you have another type of chakalaka that you like, so that I can also learn how to make it. Guys, I'm not a professional chef. I just love cooking and eating. So for me, this is a perfect hobby. So we're going to use the sweet, sour and chili sauce. It has become one of my favorite things. When I'm making burgers, I use it. When I'm making cheese sandwiches, I use it. Like, guys, it just makes food so amazing. So we're just going to put a bit of that into our chakalaka, and that is the final ingredient, guys. Then our chakalaka is done. We just give it a minute, and then we're just going to dish. There's our sadza, upap, others call it ugali. It's similar to semolina as well. So I just had to put cucumber, tomatoes, lettuce, and a bit of cheese. Then I also put a salad dresser to make my green salad. I don't have the cube cheese because I'm always buying cheese for sandwiches. But yeah, it also worked perfectly. The salad was really nice, so no complaint there. And then yeah, we're going to save our chakalaka now. I'm just going to put a whole lot of that because I was really looking forward to the chakalaka. Like it's the main thing for me on this dish. Like the chakalaka, it's the chakalaka for me. Like, yo guys, honestly, it's the chakalaka for me. How I wish I was dishing for two, but no, girl is single, so girl has to eat alone. Anyways, after this, we're just going to put our meat. I was warming it, but now it's back onto the plate. I'll just eat one. I thought I would have all two, but I realized that when I was cooking, my appetite was more than when it was time to eat. But yeah, it's time for me to enjoy, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you.